The shape of modern fuel tanks is optimized to make the most use of the available design space. In order to comply with the legal requirements for tank leak tightness, ever more components, such as the pressure regulator, are now located directly in the tank in addition to the fuel delivery module. If the fuel module is inserted incorrectly in the fuel tank after a replacement, the float can get stuck on these installations. As a result, although the fuel level changes, the tank indicator remains constant. To ensure that this does not happen, markings are often present on the tank and on the flange cover. Fuel delivery modules must therefore always be replaced so that the markings are located directly opposite each other. Dirt in the fuel tank is generally the main cause of failure in fuel pumps, either because the dirt is blocking the pump system or because the pump is dry running due to a blocked preliminary filter. So, make sure that impurities do not get into the fuel system. When replacing the fuel pump, we recommend that the fuel filter should always be replaced too. Fuel delivery modules usually have a fluid level sensor that transfers the fuel level to a sliding contact via a lever arm. In most cases, the lever arm can be moved very easily. To ensure that the needle in the tank indicator does not vibrate due to the quick wave-like movements in the fuel level, the movement of the needle is damped in the display instrument in these vehicles. Some manufacturers use a different approach. In these cases, it's not the needle in the tank indicator that is damped, but rather the fluid level sensor itself is fitted with a damping device that offsets the quick movements in the fuel level. These damped fuel level sensors can only move slowly and with effort. They must therefore never be moved with brute force. Even a moderate application of force can result in breakage. Many vehicle manufacturers now use the so-called quick couplers, known as quick connectors, on the fuel lines. For unlocking these quick connectors, Motor Service offers a useful set with 8 tools for the common sizes. Motor Service offers spare parts sets for replacing the fuel pump in the fuel delivery module for a range of vehicles. This means that attachments such as fluid level sensors, flange covers or swirl pods that are usually still okay can continue to be used. The spare parts kits contain the right fuel pump in addition to the required attachments such as hose clamps, pieces of tubing, etc. For more information, contact your Motor Service partner directly or visit the websites shown.